I stand before this holy fire, my feet upon the sand. You tell me I'm the chosen one to free the captive land. But what if they just turn away and say I'm telling lies? I throw my staff upon the ground, a serpent meets my eyes. I pull my hand out from my cloak, it's white as winter snow. You heal the skin, you show your power, but still I fear to go. Oh Lord, my words are heavy, my tongue is tight and slow. How can I stand before the King and tell him, let them go? I'm just a shepherd in the dust, the shadow of a man. I'm drowning in my own deep doubts, I don't fit in your plan. I've never been an eloquent or charismatic voice. There must be someone better, Lord, another perfect choice. The water from the river turning crimson on the ground, but still the courage in my chest is nowhere to be found. Who made the human mouth? You speak a voice like rushing wind. Who makes the deaf and makes the blind? It's where the words begin. Oh Lord, my words are heavy, my tongue is tight and slow. How can I stand before the King and tell him, let them go? I'm just a shepherd in the dust, the shadow of a man. I'm drowning in my own deep doubts, I don't fit in your plan. Oh please, I cry, just send someone, send anybody else. Your anger burns, but you provide to save me from myself. My brother Aaron comes to speak, the mouthpiece for my fear. I take the wooden staff in hand, the calling now is clear. And my tongue is tight and slow. I will stand before the King and tell him, let them go. I'm just a shepherd in the dust, the shadow of a man. But I will walk right through these doubts and step into your plan. The doubts remain, but I will walk into the desert wind with a heavy tongue and a holy fire. Let the exodus begin.
Let it begin.